Good morning, guys. Well, fun Sunday here. I'm expecting with the Camaro. Going out with my brother to ride out, Sunday morning ride out. Here she is. Guys, I've had a lot of different cars, and I gotta tell you, this is the best car I've owned. Just puts a smile on your face, the suspension, everything about it, the way it looks. And I've had 9 Mustangs, and I think if I would have driven a Camaro before, I would have never had another Mustang. Or maybe, you know, just later on. It's just great guys. So now we're crossing here, get to my brother's house. Here is the Yamaha R6 2001, 180 horsepower. Sounds about right?
No.
Oh, all right.
More like 80 horsepower.
2001, more like 80 horsepower. And now we're gonna take the drive all the way to Okeechobee. Alright, guys. Quick stop here to the gas station. Make a stop. My brother gotta put gas on the bike. Here she is. Man, I love this car. What's that, sir? No, just a 1LE. Oh, what are you working with? Wait, is that a Hayabusa? Huh?
It's a cousin of the Hayabusa.
Oh, all right, guys. Let's find something to race. Some serious stuff. Very slow Yamaha R6. I mean, just look at those brakes. 6 piston. And look at this, 2 pistons. Oh, let me check your pin out. Would you like a car wash or a bike wash?
No.
All 1080p's on the helmet. Check that helmet out, guys. That's a pretty cool helmet. Nice design. See, bikers are so lazy, they don't even stand up to put gas. I see that.
You jealous?
You gotta stand up to put gas on a bike.
Yeah.
So, cool morning. 55 degrees when I woke up. Now it's about 60. Gotta love Miami, man. All right, we're riding out. We're on the turnpike cruising to our spot. Oh, this is a nice stretch of the turnpike here. It's just flat and straight. Here goes my brother on the bike. There he goes. Alright guys, we just finished going to Okeechobee. Wrap it up, we just got home. Couldn't get any recordings because I didn't bring the GoPro, but some fun times. So stay tuned guys for the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. Take care guys. Be safe.